Protos has 3 flight modes: Poshold, Angle, and Acro. For new pilots, use Post mode first. Before takeoff, choose Open Clear Area. Switch to Poshold mode. Throttle stick to button. Press latching to start motors. Gently push throttle to take off. Poshold mode. Auto maintains height. Can stable hover. After minor drift, uses ground texture to return. Returns to original hover. In this mode, opposite light is orange. Vision or laser sensors are active. Poshold mode notes. Altitude limits apply. Indoor 20 cm to 4 meters. Outdoor 20 cm to 2 meters. Second, exceeding limit. Auto switches to altitude hold. Altitude hold maintains height only, no fixed point hover. Descend to within limit. Auto reverts to Poshold mode. Auto launch, left stick just above center. Drone auto ascends to 30 to 35 centimeters. Positioning module collects data. After 10 to 15 seconds, drone stabilizes position. Fourth, avoid dynamic environments. No texture, weak texture, or reflective surfaces. Hovering accuracy decreases severely. May not hover stably. Fifth, releasing right stick. Drone auto brakes to stop. Then hovers in new spot. Poshold mode switch requirements. First, throttle lower 55%. Second, all other sticks centered. Third, clear optical sensor view. Mode switch fails if any condition unmet. Angle mode. Stick control is same as Poshold mode. Attitude control and speed. Significantly higher sensitivity. Auto maintains level attitude, no auto position hold, cannot stable hover, requires more experiences than Poshold. Releasing sticks. Drone does not brake, only levels attitude. Drifts due to inertia. In flight, pilot must precise control throttle to maintain height and speed. Angle mode switch requirements. First, throttle lower 75%. Second, all other sticks centered. Acro mode. Pilot has full control. Max power unlocked. No auto height or auto leveling. Highest difficulty mode. Standard FPV flight. Recommended experienced FPV pilot or practiced Acro on a simulator. A link sport, liftoff and other sims. Acro mode notes. First, sticks control altitude. Stick precision means rotation rate. Centering stick does not level altitude. Second, no tiled angle limit. No auto leveling function. No stick input. Drone holds current altitude. Third, no altitude hold. Pilot must precisely control throttle to maintain height or speed. Acro mode switch requirements. First, throttle lower 45%. Second, all other sticks centered. Acro to self-leveling switch warning. Acro hover throttle is lower. Altitude will suddenly drop. Must quickly increase throttle, high risk. Proceed with caution. FOAC is special mode, corrects drone attitude after crash. Activate by SD key. Drone beats 4 times. FC light turns cyan. Motors switch to reserve. Press launching. Quickly flick roll. Stick to flip. Correct drone attitude. After flip, switch modes to takeoff. During flight, battery nearly empty. FC light turns yellow. Land immediately and change battery. Failure to land, drone loses power force. Risk of damage loss. Always monitor the light status. Act during low battery warning. Prevent crash damage from power loss. Multiple crashes cause level error. Use IMU calibration mode. Auto function must be still until complete. No stick input. IMU calibration start requirements. First, must be locked. Second, place on a level surface. Left stick bottom right. Right stick center down. Correct stick combo. Calibration menu appears. Release sticks menu stays on screen. Use right stick to select option. Use left stick to run function. First fast green flash means calibration started. Second fast green flash means calibration complete. Red light flashing means calibration failed. Auto lock feature. Motors stop if any condition met. First, started bus stationarily for 10 seconds. Second, landed and stationarily for 4 seconds. Third, severe crash during flight. Air mode auto closes if lower 15 centimeters for 0.5 seconds. Air mode auto opens if higher than 50 centimeters for 0.8 seconds.